Hello again, it's Noob, and here we have a Mul-T-Lock C-Series padlock with a Mul-T-Lock classic lock inside it. So the body, I believe, is the Mul-T-Lock C08PC1. Yeah, great name. And it's just got the 10 pin, well, it looks like 5 pins, but these are pin-in-pin pins. So it's a 10 pin multi-lock, so 5 pin-in-pin pins. And you can see here it's got a little dust cover on it, so that keeps all the muck and dirt out. And it is only it's an eighth of a turn maybe, and we're already open. So very smooth operating lock. Not a lot of room to maneuver on the inside, but we're going to throw it in a vise anyway. And we've got a whole bunch of flag picks to try and pick it with, and we'll see where we get to. All right, see you in a second. Okay, we are in the vise, and let's pop that key in. And that works. Yeah, it works smoothly. Okay, we'll take that. Pop in a turning tool on one side, like this, and hopefully that will bind nicely. And I'll start to go off the, weirdly, with the direction of rotation on the left hand side. So that's pin 2 gave me a little click, and pin 3 and 4. Vise binding a little bit, into a bit of false set. Okay, and now we're there, I'm going to swap over and try to do any got to find the right pick now. Yeah, any of these pins on with a false set, the outer pins is going to, there you go, set pin 2. 3 feels fine, 4 feels fine. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It feels alright, so I'm going to try and see where we can get to on the left hand side again with the right flag. Pin 2 gave me a little click. Back through, back through, back through feels fine. 1 feels fine. 2 feels good. 3 feels good. 4, 5. Okay, so weirdly feeling all good. So I'm going to go with a thinner pick, see if I can get some of these inner pins. There we go. Oh, and wow, we are in a very deep false set here. Look at that. That tells me there's probably an inner pin somewhere that needs to be picked. We just need to figure out where. So, pin 3 gave some counter rotation on the inner pin. 4's here. And 5. We're almost there. So I'm just trying to find out where we're missing something. Let me try going along the left hand side of the lock. I hate it when you're on one of these. Oh, it just hits something on one of the middle pins, and we are open. I hate it when you're stuck on one of those little center pins, one of those little, when it's pin in pin, the middle pins, and yeah, we're open up. I don't know how we could gut this. Actually, it looks like it's a full sealed unit. Normally you can, yeah, you could probably take that grub screw out and then have a look on the inside. I wonder if we can have a look at that. I need to lock it back up and then do that. I don't know how we'd go about that. My experience of these locks is somewhat limited when it comes to taking these things apart, but we can have a bit of a look. Sizes, it might be that I can use one of these. Yeah, there we go. Or is that just the shackle releasing thing? Maybe that's to release a shackle, but I can't seem to release a shackle somehow. And without that shackle coming out, is there a little ball bearing or something to come out? It looks like there's something down in there. I'm assuming there's a little ball bearing that comes out or something, but it doesn't want to. Can you see down in there something glistening? No, I've tried everything. I can't get whatever that is inside there out. I'm assuming it's some kind of ball bearing. I assume that once you remove that, this will come out. That means that then you can slide this whole cassette out afterwards. But yeah, it just won't come out. I can't seem to free it up. I've used magnets. I've whacked it very heavily with a few soft hammers. I just can't get out that little, what I'm assuming is a little ball bearing or something. If anybody else knows how to get one of these, let me know in the comments. I'd be really appreciative. But yeah, as it stands, I don't know what's going on. Anyway, despite me not being able to gut this lock, I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you enjoyed the pick of this Mul-T-Lock, this little 50mm hardened steel Mul-T-Lock padlock. If you did, please leave a like. If you have any comments, then please leave them below. I do read them all and reply to as many as I can, especially about how you got one of these or how to remove whatever's inside there. Would really appreciate the hints and tips. Otherwise, stay safe, happy picking, and I'll see you all next time.